I'm Christina at The Hair You Love. Is it, wait, right here? Here? Right there. Connect with me at The Hair You Love on social media. I'm so excited to be joining the Wig Company family, and I cannot wait to talk to each and every one of you. So be sure to send me your questions, send me your photos. I'd love to help you match your color, find the perfect style, maybe suggest some customization. All of that, I'm at your fingertips. I'm a hairstylist by trade, but a wig expert by heart. And I am so passionate about this industry. I feel like it chose me. I started off as a hairdresser, but now I can't imagine my life without wigs and hair extensions. And I feel like as a stylist, they make me invincible. I can create any look, anything I want to give my client. Wigs can give you that freedom. It's style and color without commitment, which I love. I'm a pro in your pocket. Just pick up your phone, send me your questions, send me your photos, and let's connect through social media. And I'm more than happy to answer all your questions.